when my grandmother was in hospital. None of us knew essentially what was going on, why she was dying. I took it upon myself to try to find out. So researching that was what really got me interested in medical science to begin with. I play cricket for UCL. There was one guy in particular who told me about the MB-PhD program. And so after talking to him, I decided to apply. The MB-PhD program is an opportunity for keen medical students to take on a period of full-time research. For me, it represents almost the marriage between research and medicine. The flexibility you get on the program is incredible. Go down to a teaching round at Queen's Square on neurology about something I love, or go to a clinic on a disorder which I'm interested in, and going to journal clubs and discussing papers, both scientific and clinical. You're completely immersed into the life of what an academic clinician entails. Ultimately, what I want to be doing is to continue research into neurological disorders. And I want to keep asking the big questions. Eventually, I want to figure out why these things go wrong and try to find solutions about how to fix them, about how to fix diseases.